when we heard that they were starting to remove them, and we heard that some of the donkey sanctuary Bonaire actually had a contract with the government, and that contract over a year, they brought out of 400 donkeys they caught, 100 went to the landfill dead. So that's when we formed and we decided something has to be done, because what's happening is not correct. There's a lot of propaganda and there's a lot of stuff to make it sound right, but it's absolutely atrocious. It's a disaster. Some years ago, Fernando, when he worked with Stanapa, 20 years ago or so, decided the donkeys have to go. All right, we asked him for the data, and he claimed that it's in certain appendix. When we checked the appendix, it was empty. So the plan to remove the donkeys started by somebody's opinion only, you know. Since then, we've done a lot of research, and we've done some. We got international people involved. They're of international interest. Letters went to the governor from people, from genealogists, from people that have been protecting donkeys and working for years with them. Never even got a response. Not even a sorry, you know. We received your information and we'll get back to you. Nothing. They had a meeting to put together the new nature plan. We asked to be at that meeting. We were told by Franklin Sloba, yeah, okay. They had the meeting and never contacted us. The outcome of that meeting was by 2030, the donkeys of Bonaire have to be removed. The only plan that was done was Franklin Sloba, along with Marina Mellis, made a contract that the sanctuary actually composed it, saying that they have to catch all the donkeys, keep the females, castrate the males, and put them back, all right, and continue until they catch them all. All right, that plan was a disaster. They put donkeys out the same day after castration. And castration isn't done anymore. That's a barbaric way. There's a way of sterilizing the females for a short period of time, and so you have a proper population control. But meanwhile, that plan was atrocious. Like I said, between November 2013 and 14, all right, 1 year, 100 donkeys went to the landfill dead out of 400 they caught, claiming they were sick. They had tetanus. You're not going to tell me 25% of our donkeys out there need help. The donkeys are the healthiest in the world, and we have that by proven by DNA samples and people that are wildlife experts.